Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Zodi at the Farm. I'm so glad you could join me here today on my channel. So today we're going to be working on another gorgeous crystal flower that I think is absolutely amazing. And I'm going to actually go through the dishes so you can see, you know, how I've created this. But let me pick it up because it's slightly heavy. And there we go. It is a Mikasa crystal flower at the rear, which is the very first plate. Then I've just got a beautiful, gorgeous crystal bowl. And then I've got this gorgeous gold and white hammered orb that I think is amazing. So I just want to go through all of these dishes with you. So here it is. This is a Mikasa, I think it's called the Mikasa tulips. It's an absolutely beautiful flower shaped, like the perfect flower, just so beautifully done. And then you can see the petals here as well, but you can see the tulips right there that are etched into the back of this beautiful piece of crystal. Okay, so this is amazing. All right, I think you can get these at Goodwill or Salvation Army or thrift shop or antique shops as well. You can also find them on eBay. My starter plate, which absolutely enhances the rest of the flower, okay, from a scope standpoint, meaning, you know, the depth of it. Also, you know, how well it sits with the other dishes. Okay, so we're going to cut this today. And then I've got this beautiful crystal bowl. I mean, it is like so amazing. It's got a nice round surface and a flat back, but it just looks like diamonds are in it. Okay, and I got this from, I believe, Goodwill, and I just thought it was so amazing. Okay, so that's next. And then we've got that will make this beautiful crystal gold hammered flower. Okay, so stay with me. I'm going to give you all the steps that I do to make this beautiful piece of glass art. All right, see you soon. I've got my gloves, I've got my protective eyewear on, and I've got a glass of water here to help the bit get through the glass. And I'm just going to go ahead and straighten this out. Make sure that I am directly connected to the bottom, to the center here. So I'm going to do that in advance first. And that's it right there. That's it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is pour a little water. Okay, that's plenty. And then I'm going to turn my machine on. Okay. And I'm just going to grab the back handle and push this forward. Make sure it's lined up. Okay, so as you can see, that took about 4 minutes to cut. All right, but I went at a slow, even pace with the drill press. You never want to have the bit significantly pressing on the glass. You want to let the bit cut the glass, and so it unfolds. And so then we get here. I'm going to pull this out. Empty that little bit of water. Okay, so there's the hole on that side. Very nice. Okay, it's an even cut there. Let me show you here. Okay, so that was beautifully done. Absolutely beautifully done. Okay, here we go with the finished hole. Okay, perfectly done. Right in the center. Okay, we're gonna proceed on to assembly. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this all apart. Okay, I'm gonna take them all apart, and I see some extra residue of the glass powder from drilling. So I'm going to go ahead and take my goof off, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down and get it to a clean. Very attractive looking. And you may find some extra glue is on there. You know, you may find the extra glue is on here from just having it sit until it was made. So you want to just make sure that you're doing a good cleaning of your dishes before you start assembly. Okay, just make sure it's really, really clean. Okay, all right, so that one's done. Let me go ahead and give this one a nice paper towels. This one is the real shiny one, so I'm excited about this. Okay, and that looks really good. All right, I'm gonna put that right there. And then I'm going to just shine up my orb here. Okay, now my orb has a hole in it already, okay? There was a little piece here with a piece of felt over it, but I've removed that from the orb so that my toggle will come through this, okay? So I pull this back. So I have everything I need at this point. The first thing I'm gonna need to do is obtain a washer, okay? And I'm gonna turn this dish over, and I'm gonna go ahead and put down my first large washer. Put another puncture hole through that just slightly. Okay, so we're ready to go here. I've got my washer, I've got my bolt and my toggle. Okay, this is a 1/8 inch toggle top. Okay, so we have that. We've got my screwdriver with a Phillips head bit on the end. I've got my hook that I'm going to hang this dish by, or these group of dishes by. I've got a magic marker, a little balance. You need a tape measure. I've got this is a foot cover for furniture. You can get it at your local hardware store, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and put a hole through that, but you're going to need these. You can get them at your local hardware store or online. They're about 50 cents a piece. Okay, some scissors, you may need those. Your goof off to clean your plates if they're not already cleaned. I would just actually have some around just in case, because you may see something. Here's your tape measure. All right, so let's get started here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my hook. All right, and with that hook I'm going to go ahead and put a washer through it. Okay, and then I'm going to push that through just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take my next washer, all right, and I'm going to put it right there. Okay, right in the middle where the hole is, and then I'm going to push this. Go ahead and we're going to push it right through just like that, and then we're going to turn it over. Okay, and then I'm going to put in another washer. Okay, and again I spray painted these a silver so that they would blend with the crystal. Oh, there it is. Okay, all right, so I've got that sitting there. I hope y'all can see that. All right, so the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my next bowl. All right, and I'm going to go ahead, since there's already a washer here, I'm just going to go ahead and put the next dish in just like that. Okay, just like that. All right, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put another washer in here. Okay, just like that. Okay, And then the last thing right here is I'm going to have to start my toggle on the end here, because the next piece that's coming is the orb. So we're going to go ahead and secure the orb with this toggle. Okay, and just get it started. Try and roll it further down towards the actual dishes, because it just takes you that much less time to have to tighten this. All right, so you're just gonna get it down as close as you can. All right, and then here's my orb, and I'm gonna squeeze the toggle, and then I'm gonna push that straight in just like that. All right, so now the toggle has taken the orb. So now we're going to turn this carefully on its side, just like this. And I'm going to take my Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm going to start to tighten. Okay. Just a little bit more. Okay, folks, so here we go. This is a beautiful Mikasa crystal tulip, gorgeous flower, crystal flower. And then we've got a crystal bowl that actually looks like diamonds. It's absolutely beautiful. And then we have this gold and white hammered orb. We turn it on the back. Okay, so I've got my hook here, and that is very stable, this hook. Okay, this looks really, really good. I hope you guys really love this, because I think it's absolutely amazing. All right, so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and set this up in your home, or actually to mount it to a mounting stick and place it at your front entryway, or in your garden, or just anywhere where you really want to make a statement, because it's just so beautiful. Okay, right in the center. I'm going to do it one more time. Okay, just like that. Hey folks, okay, here we go. Here is the flower that is attached in the back to a piece of metal conduit. I painted it white. And we've got the chair covers that have a hole in the top to support this hook. All right, so I'm just gonna turn it so you can see it from the front. And I just think that it's so amazing. It's such a beautiful piece. This would be a great piece for like a front entrance of a wedding, you know, or yeah, so when you're signing the book or something. If you did like this video and would like to see more of them, please go ahead and hit the like button, the share button, and share this video so that others can be inspired to create this beautiful glass art in their home. Okay, all right, so that's it, and I hope to see you next week here at Zodicatthefarm. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.